Over the course of last 3 years, I have made over 500 head talking short form videos. More than half of the clients in my previous business saw me as an authority and trusted our service quality because of those videos. If you want a proof, here's a screenshot where one of our long-term clients started a conversation with me. So no, I do have the expertise to talk about this topic. In today's video, I will share 3 uncommon ways to make your head talking videos more interesting to watch. Alright, let's get straightforward. Number 1, the conversation starter. My most viewed video that has got 250,000 views on Instagram and gained me over 5,000 followers started with the line, recently I designed this poster for displaying in Pune railway station as well as Pune International Airport. There was a gig I did a couple of years ago. One of the main reasons why it got so many views is because it literally felt like a conversation. There are so many videos that has got millions of views that starts with conversation lines like, have you ever wondered why this is happening? Recently I did X and Y happened. This is a great way to make your videos stand out and hook them into your educational aspect. Number 2, the quick slide. The same video that got 250,000 views also had this uncommon practice. Probably this is my signature strategy. I am the only one who is doing this. Put 2 to 3 quick slides that ends within 1 to 2 seconds. I usually do this when I give numbers. What this does is it hits the dopamine of your viewer little differently that keeps them engaged. It makes people assume there is some serious value here in this video. It's not tricky. If you believe in the value you are providing, it's a great way to grab attention. Attention refers someone consuming your content not passively or mindlessly but actively and mindfully. Number 3, the voice changer with black and white effect. I posted this video a couple hours ago. It got 28,000 impressions on LinkedIn. I was actually testing a strategy. Guess what? It worked out. Whenever you are saying to avoid something, change the voice to a kid's voice or sweet in CapCut and change the color to black and white or minus 33 saturation on CapCut. To give you a better understanding, I am playing the video here. Instead of saying DM me X and I will reach out to you. Now what this does is it prompts people to play the audio of your video if they are watching in mute or retain their attention if they are watching with sound. It makes the video so much more interesting and engaging to watch. Number 4, zoom cuts. I do this as a serious job when editing my short form videos. Watch the video and understand how big a role it is playing in my videos. Personal branding secret no one is talking about, part 4. Use the word help as frequently as you can in your content. For example, instead of saying DM me X and I will reach out to you as your call to action, say DM me X and I will help you out. In your stories, when you feel like you need feedback on something, instead of saying do anyone know how to do this, say can anyone help me tackle this. This makes your brand more approachable and decreases the gap between you and your audience. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Follow for more. If you can have one zoom cut every 3 to 5 seconds, it will drastically improve the retention of your videos. That's all for today. Like, subscribe, share. I will see you on the next one.